Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing your body to relax as you exhale slowly. Let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying, and allow yourself to enter a state of calm. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rhythm of your inhales and exhales, letting each breath bring you deeper into a state of relaxation. As you continue to breathe, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you. Feel its soothing energy enveloping your entire body, bringing you a sense of peace and tranquility. Now, shift your focus to your financial goals and desires. Visualize them as already accomplished, as if they have already manifested in your life. See yourself living a life of financial abundance, free from any limitations or worries. As you immerse yourself in this vision, repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud. I am worthy of financial abundance, and it flows effortlessly into my life. I attract opportunities that align with my highest good and financial prosperity. Money is my friend, and it supports me in living a fulfilling and joyful life. I release any limiting beliefs or negative thoughts about money, and I embrace a positive money mindset. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me, and I celebrate my financial successes. Feel the truth and power of these affirmations resonating within you. Allow them to sink deeply into your subconscious mind, rewiring your thoughts and beliefs about money. As you continue to breathe and repeat the affirmations, imagine the golden light expanding from your body, radiating out into the universe. Feel the energy of abundance and prosperity flowing through you and attracting more of it into your life. Take a moment to express gratitude for the abundance that already exists in your life, no matter how small. Feel a sense of appreciation for the resources, opportunities, and experiences that contribute to your financial well-being. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths, feeling your body reawakening and rejuvenating. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the positive energy of this meditation into your day. Remember, you have the power to manifest financial abundance in your life. Embrace this positive money mindset and let it guide your thoughts, actions, and decisions. Trust that the universe is conspiring to support your financial goals, and remain open to the endless possibilities that await you. Continue to revisit this meditation whenever you need to realign your energy and reinforce your positive money mindset. May you attract and create the financial abundance you desire.